So we're going to begin our Tim Rodgers Jr. inspired dog, or you could do a cat painting. So what we're going to think about is the space on our paper and how we're arranging it. And we're really thinking lately about positive space and negative space. So I provided some images for you guys to look at. So if you need to go back and open a tab so you can look at that screen, you can. But I noticed like a lot of his dog shapes, they look like, if you kind of look right at the head and the neck, they seem to start out as a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch a rectangle into the space. So starting here, drawing this way, going across, and I wanted it to be too small. I wanted to take up a pretty good amount of that positive space there. Okay, so I have a rectangle there. All right, it's kind of light because I don't really want to see the rectangle later. Later I want to see what looks like a dog. So after that, you would need to add other parts of the image. So for instance, I'm going to add a shape looking kind of like an ear. And I'm gonna go with a very geometric looking shape. And I'm going to think about how much space am I leaving there on the side, how much positive space do I have, how much negative space do I have, and then attaching the ear there. The dog's other ear could be kind of the same way. It could be pointing a different way. So I'm going to make it go up a little bit higher, I think. So what's happening here is I'm not just creating a positive shape. I'm creating a negative one as well. Because what happens is this is taking up space, but then I have this stuff around not taking up space. So I'm really going to think about how the positive and negative are interacting. So you're going to go ahead and start with a rectangle, attach some ears on it. You could be doing a cat. So let's say you're doing a cat instead. I would still start out with something similar to a rectangle. Let's say maybe we do something more like a trapezoid. And a cat's ears are probably going to seem pointier. So I'm going to do something almost like a triangle attached there. And then on this side. And I'm going to bring that down. So I'm thinking about how does this look outside of the shape I'm actually drawing. Okay, so you guys will get started, and then I will show you the next few steps.